Day 7. Becoming safe to love long term. Repair is not a moment, it's a pattern. Inhale calm and exhale control. People trust those who can be wrong without collapsing. Consistency repairs what apologies cannot. You become safe by being steady, not perfect. Repair is a lifestyle. Ask yourself, who do I want to be during conflict? What kind of partner, parent, or leader, or even friend do I want to embody? What does safety look like through me? Here's what I want you to do. Commit to one repair behavior you will practice weekly. You didn't just complete a reset. You built capacity. Repair is no longer something you fear. It's something you can practice. You are becoming someone safe to love, someone safe to trust, someone steady enough to keep what matters. Take one deep breath. Carry this forward slowly. This is the repair reset.